Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to gain healthy weight at the right places. Yeah, this is for skinny girls. This recipe is meant for skinny girls, all right? So if you want to gain weight at the right places, from your butt, your hips, your boobs, do well to watch this video from start to finish so as to know what I'm going to be putting together to make this recipe. All right, and all this recipe are 100% safe. They are organic products, they are natural products that has zero side effect. All right, so without further say or do, let's just get right into the video. Remember to thumbs up this video, remember to subscribe, remember to share this video. All right, let's just jump right into this video. So the first ingredient I'm going to be using for this recipe is soya beans powder. All right, soya beans powder. I'm going to be leaving the soya beans on the screen so that if you don't know what soya beans is, you will know. If you don't know what soya beans is, you are going to easily know when I insert the picture right up on the screen. You can as well get that and blend it by yourself at home. All right, it is not compulsory you buy the powder. You can buy the beans and blend it yourself. All right, so this is the powdered soya beans. This is already grounded, so yeah, I'm going to be using half tablespoon, but the proper measurement for this will be in the description box below. Please go there to check so that you know the proper measurement. All right, since this is for tutorial purpose, I'm just going to be using small, and I'm going to put the proper measurement in the description box below. All right, so here is my measuring spoon. I have my measuring spoon. Everything has its own measurement, so I'm going to be using measuring spoon. All right, so yeah, as you can see, if you can see very well, this is half tablespoon. All right, half tablespoon. So I'm just going to take half tablespoon of soya beans powder. All right, and I'm going to put it right inside the cup like so. So the next ingredient I'm going to be using is Hollandia milk, Hollandia evap. All right, as you can see, it is not necessary you use Hollandia. Just use any full cream milk. All right, any full cream milk will do. Okay, you can use peak milk. Here in Nigeria, this is what is available. That is why I'm using this. In Nigeria, you can use peak milk, you can use 3 Crown, you can use any brand of milk that is full cream milk. Okay, this recipe is for skinny girls, remember that. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of this, 2 tablespoons of milk. Then I'm just going to mix it together like so. All right, you mix and mix together. Then the next ingredient I'm going to be using is organic honey. All right, so make sure you lay your hands on organic honey. All right, so I'm just going to take half teaspoon of organic honey, as you can see. Then you drop it. Then you mix together thoroughly. As a skinny girl, trust me, in 10 days, this will actually make you gain healthy weight at the right places. All right, your butt, your boobs, your hips, trust me, they are going to show up in no time. All right, just make sure you take this thing right before you eat anything in the morning. This should be the first thing that will enter your stomach as a skinny girl. All right, and also if you want to take it at night at bedtime, this should be the last thing that will enter your stomach. All right, and trust me, you are going to come back and thank me later in my comment section. All right, so as I've said earlier, please check the description box below so as to know the full recipe that you are going to be using for your daily dose. All right, I just did this as a small quantity, just for tutorial purpose, just for you to know how to just mix it together thoroughly. All right, so please make sure to check my description box for the proper measurement. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Remember to give me a thumbs up. All right, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.